Every single week on Philanthropy in Focus, we do two things. I help nonprofits tell their story and amplify their message. And my name is Tommy D, the nonprofit sector connector. So, look, what does that even mean, the nonprofit sector connector? I have relationships with many leaders of nonprofit organizations, not always the executive director, often it's the development director or the administrative director, all different folks. In this episode of Hey, here's what's coming up on Philanthropy in Focus this week, my friend Amy Fleischer made a connection to the leader of her organization. Now, I'm going to read a little bit, but the organization was called Long Island FQHC, which stands for Federally Qualified Health Center. They've just recently gone through a rebrand as Harmony Healthcare. Now, I want to read this to you. They bring services to over 44,000 individuals in Nassau County. They have 10 locations, 3 school-based health centers, and individuals can choose from a wide range of high-quality, affordable medical services to prevent avoidable emergency room visits and hospitalizations. Look, you may or may not know that professionally, we're in the employee benefits business. So we own an agency called Vanguard Benefits. Check out the agency, Vanguard Benefits, the whole thing. But these conversations around healthcare are incredibly important because as consumers, we need to make sure that we make consumer-driven decisions around our own healthcare. Gone are the days where I could just show up and give them my card and pay my copay. We have to be mindful of what's going on out there. That being said, organizations like Harmony Healthcare help serve those in need, those who may not even have access to health insurance, and they make sure that these people receive the services they need. So I'm going to read the little background on David Nemiroff, who is the president and CEO, director of Harmony Healthcare Long Island. He has been in that role since 2014. And under his watch, they provide 150,000 medical and support visits each and every year. He's got a background in other responsibilities in the nonprofit sector. David will be joining me on the show. And why do I do the show? I do the show for a couple of reasons. It's to highlight organizations, but it's also to figure out how do we make change? How do we increase impact? And it's by hanging out with special leaders of important organizations I get to do that. If it wasn't for you, Amy Fleischer, making this connection, my friend, this doesn't happen. So thank you for that. And meet with me, everybody, Friday morning, 10 a.m., Philanthropy in Focus. Make it a great day.